Hello everyone. In this session, we'll discuss topic 5 of Unit 1, which is Business Analytics Overview. Business Analytics Overview. The Institute for Operation Research and Management Science (INFORMS) has created a major initiative to organize and promote analytics. According to INFORMS, analytics represents the combination of computer technology, management science techniques, and statistics to solve real problems. The idea of looking at all the data to understand what is happening, what will happen, and how to make the best of it has also been represented by Informs in proposing three levels of analytics. These three levels of analytics are identified as descriptive analytics, predictive analytics, and prescriptive analytics. Next. Figure 1 represents two graphical views of these three analytics. So these are the two graphical views. One view suggests that these three are somewhat independent. These three are somewhat independent of a ladder type, and one type of analytics leads to another type. So you can see this interconnection, that is interconnected circles view suggests that there is actually some overlap. If you see here, this is a predictive circle, this is reporting circle, and this is prescriptive circle. If you see this, there is some overlap in between these three. In either case, the interconnected nature of different types of analytics application is evident. That is, so first is descriptive analysis or reporting. So it uses visualization, ad hoc reporting, and trend analysis. So ad hoc reporting. Ad hoc reporting means it is a process of creating reports on demand. For example, sales team wants more specific information at a particular location, at a particular place. So this may be ad hoc reporting. The second one is predictive analytics. It uses statistic analysis and data mining. The third one is prescriptive analysis. It uses management science models and solution. That is, prescriptive analysis uses management science solutions to recommend actions and strategies for decision making. So these are the two different ways of representing these three types of analytics. Like this one is a ladder type and this one is a circle. So we'll discuss these three one by one. First one is descriptive analytics. So this descriptive analytics focuses on understanding and interpreting historical data and trends to provide insights into the past performance. So descriptive or reporting analytics refers to knowing what is happening in the organization. So descriptive analytics simply answers the question what is happening and understanding some underlying trends and causes of such occurrence. So this descriptive analytics first of all is a consolidation of data sources and availability of all relevant data in the form that enables appropriate reporting and analysis. Usually, development of this data infrastructure is a part of data warehouses. From these data infrastructures, we can develop appropriate reports, queries, alerts, and trends using various reporting tools like we can use Tableau. So visualization tools like Tableau are key in descriptive analytics, providing insights into organizational operations such as patient flow, resource allocation, and disease tracking. Healthcare studies and interactive dashboards are available on the Tableau sites. So this is one of the COVID-19 cases. This is one dashboard and this is taken from Tableau site. Second type of analytics is predictive analytics. So from the word you can understand from the word you can understand that predictive means we are doing some type of prediction. So predictive analytics is a process of using historical data to predict the future outcomes. It's about answering the question what is likely to happen. So this predictive analytics, it uses statistical models and machine learning to forecast future outcomes based on past or historical data. Next, it is future oriented. Unlike descriptive analytics, which focuses on the past, predictive analytics looks ahead. Next, statistical foundation. It's rooted in statistical method, providing a rigorous approach to analysis. Next, it has a data mining integration. It incorporates advanced data mining tools or data mining techniques to extract valuable insights from large data sets. That is, it simply takes the data and tries to predict what will happen in future. So these are some of the real world application like customer churn prediction. It analyzes past customers behavior to predict whether the customer are likely to leave. Next, customer segmentation. It uses the past data patterns to group customers and forecast their future preferences for targeted campaigns. Next is product recommendations. It predicts which customer are likely to buy based on the previous purchases. Next is fraud detection. Identifies patterns in the transaction data to predict potential fraudulent activities. And the last application is risk assessment. It evaluates past data to estimate future risk in industries like finance and insurance. These are some of the applications of predictive analytics. Next is techniques. What are the techniques we use in this? First one is classification. Categorizing data into predefined groups. For example, predicting if a customer will churn or not, that is whether a customer will leave the company or not. Next, it uses a decision tree. So creating a tree-like model of decision and their possible consequences. It uses neural networks. That is, neural network mimics the human brain to identify the patterns. Next is classification. Next is clustering. Clustering groups similar data points together. For example, segmenting customers based on purchasing behavior. Next one, association mining. It discovers the relationship between items. For example, finding that customers who buys bread also tends to buy butter or also tends to buy jam. These are the key techniques used in predictive analytics. That is, it uses classification in which we use decision trees and neural networks. Next is clustering and the next one is association mining. Then the third type of analytics is prescriptive analytics. The goal of prescriptive analytics is to recognize what is going on as well as likely forecast and make better decision to achieve the best performance possible. That is, it recognizes what is going on and tries to do a future forecast. The goal here is to provide a decision or recommendation for a specific action. These recommendations can be in the form of specific decisions like yes or no for a problem, a specific amount like price, or a complete set of production plans. So in this, decisions may be presented to a decision maker in a report or may directly be used in automated decision rules, that is system. Prescriptive analytics helps airlines determine dynamic pricing by analyzing factors like demand, booking pattern, and competitor price. For example, if the demand is more, the airlines may increase its fare. So, prescriptive analytics helps ride sharing companies like Ola and Uber set optimal and dynamic pricing based on real time data and demands. For example, if the demand is more, the Ola or Uber may increase their prices. Third, next one, healthcare treatment plans. Prescriptive analytics can suggest personalized treatment plans for patients by analyzing medical history, treatment effectiveness, and patients' outcomes. Next, these are some of the tools used in prescriptive analytics. So, optimization, simulation, decision modeling, and expert systems. First one, optimization. Google's R tool is widely used for solving complex optimization problems, including logistic and scheduling. Simulation. SUMIL8 is popular for modeling various scenarios and assessing their efforts on business processes. Next one, decision modeling. Lucid Chart is effective tool for creating decision trees and frameworks to help analyze and visualize decision making process. Next one, expert systems. IBM Watson provides expert system capabilities for applications like medical diagnostics, customer support, leveraging advanced AI and machine learning technologies. So, in this session, we discussed about the three different types of analytics. That is, we discussed about descriptive analytics, predictive analytics, and prescriptive analytics. Thank you.